Good morning to my family, friends, colleagues, and clients on yet another day of sheltering in place. For those of us who work in non-essential jobs, we continue to have free time on our hands. I totally support your decision to binge watch anything on television that makes you happy. But realistically, there is no need to be doing that all day long. Why not make this your time to work on small organizing projects around the house? Today, we are going to talk about the storage area under your bathroom sink. Oh no, you may be thinking. Oh yes, let's do it, dust bunnies and all. What are we looking to accomplish? Number one, to empty out everything in the storage area so that we get a sense of the space. Number two, to properly and ethically dispose of those items that are no longer needed or have expired. Number three, to organize your stuff so that it's visually pleasing and easy to find. And number four, give you a sense of accomplishment and get you one step closer to an organized and clutter-free home. This is Eileen Bergman, professional organizer, signing off with a bear hug.